How to add a video to my GoDaddy website. The first thing that we need to do is log into our GoDaddy account, then click on your name in the top right corner and go into my products. So from the products page, we will scroll down until we see websites plus marketing. Click on it to expand this menu. Find your current plan and select manage. Now this is going to take us to a new page and we just want to get access to the GoDaddy website builder. So you will see your website to the side here and just click on edit website. So once we're taken to the website builder, make sure you are on the correct page here and scroll down until you see two sections. Click on the plus sign between those two sections where we want to add the video and use the search bar here to just search for video. It will show us some different options of embedding a video. So we have a video gallery, we have a single video, or feature your top video. You can see all of these different options here. I will do feature your top video as an example. So just click on add. Now here it's going to look like this, and we can import either YouTube video or a video from Vimeo, and we can also customize this. So I'm just going to go into YouTube. I will do this video as an example. Just click on the share button and then copy this link here. After we have copied the link, we will go back into GoDaddy here and we'll just delete this first link that pops up as an example. Then we'll right click and paste. Now this is going to add this video to our GoDaddy website, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.